Meaning of foxhound.
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 Foxhound. A foxhound is a breed of dog that was originally trained for fox hunting. They are known for their keen sense of smell, endurance, and agility. The breed traces its origins back to England in the 18th century and has since spread to other parts of the world. Today, foxhounds are primarily used for hunting, but are also kept as companion animals due to their friendly and loyal nature. Overall, the term foxhound refers to a type of hunting dog with specific characteristics and a rich history in the world of hunting.